I'm on the Correa stand here at EMO 2019. Now this is a terrific machine. This is a Fox double column machine. This machine is actually for sale. They're looking to sell this from the stand, so you need to get yourself here in Hall 13 to look at this machine. New livery from Correa as well. Not just to make them look nicer, but better ergonomics. Look at this machine in action though. We're going to try and get the camera to be able to actually see the machine cut in there. They've got their own patented heads here on their stand. This is the UDX head. It's a mechanical head, 10,000 RPM. It's the only mechanical head with 10,000 RPM available in the market. It's patented technology. You can achieve, it's something like 168 million positions using their head technology. Some of the points about the Fox machine which make it better than the competition, they believe, is the fact that they're what you'd class as the ram here that's coming down is actually fully supported. It's a box guideway construction around the ram. There's also water cooled within it, so it means that you don't get any growth. When you're looking to hit material hard, then this is the type of machine that will do that, as they're demonstrating here. So this machine is actually for sale. It's for sale. Now have a look at this. This is the new NORMA MG as well. This is a new model. You've got a fully extended ram as well, as if you see as you come close to this machine. The idea behind this is so you can now get a bigger work pieces on a machine with a smaller footprint. The table here is an indexing table. You've got, again, a UAD head on this one, so you get that 168 million positions, I believe it is, and it's a fully mechanical head as well with 10,000 RPM. But you'll see when the RAM is extended on this machine, the idea is that you can obviously access and get the same stability in your machine at whichever point of the table that you're machining. These machines look terrific. These are available to see in Spain. If you went to the Correa factory, you'd see them in Spain. But just look at that head extending there. The types of applications that you'd use this machine for, anything that has lots of operations on it. It could be the energy industry, could be the oil and gas sector, die and moulds, parts that you need to obviously access from a vertical position and also horizontal, and also every angle in between. Multitasking technology really here. This is the new NORMA MG from Correa. That's it from me here on the Correa stand at EMO 2019.